What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to make your account look professional, consistent, and appealing to the eye. So let's dive into my screen and I will show you guys some examples of what I'm talking about and what I expect you to do with your Instagram accounts that you are trying to grow. So right here, we're on my profile, and if you guys follow me, you guys already know what I'm posting because that's all I post. I try to stay consistent with the pictures that I'm posting. Okay, so that is the main key to basically growing a good Instagram account, is staying consistent with your pictures. You don't want to be all over the place because people are following you for a specific reason. And as soon as they see your profile and they see a few pictures that they like and they follow you, and then you post a picture that's way off topic of what you have been posting in the past, they might unfollow you. So that's why it's important to stay consistent and to basically have a theme of your Instagram account. So right here on mine, my theme is water, traveling, and being with my wife. So basically that is my theme of my Instagram account, and those are the pictures that I'm posting. I also have another theme of the majority of my pictures are blue and green. They kind of all tie in together. So right here we have the sky. The water is a little green, and the same thing here. We have a sky, we have the water in the background as well. And as you scroll down, we have the sky, we have some green, I'm on the beach, we have the blue sky, I'm on the beach again, blue sky, blue water. You guys get the point. Stay consistent, get a theme, try to stay color coordinated as well. That's not as important, but I try to keep mine as like the same tone because I'm not going to post a picture of a pink wall. I'm going to post a picture of this blue wall, for example. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, is trying to stay consistent with the color. Another funny thing, and something that I'm going to show you as well, and as you scroll down and see further down my account, you'll see that I was posting pictures of cars and quotes. And so before I turned this into my personal business account, I was growing a motivational, basically car luxury lifestyle account. And what I was doing is I was posting pictures of cars, I was posting pictures of luxury lifestyles and quotes. So right here we have a picture of a car and then a quote, a car and then a quote, a car and a plane and then a quote. And so that was trying to keep it consistent of basically every other picture I was posting a quote and then a normal picture, a quote and then a normal picture. So that's basically trying to keep it consistent, having a theme, and making it look good and appealing, so when someone does click on my account, they start scrolling and they see that there's a theme and consistency with my Instagram account. So that's what you guys are going to want to do with your accounts, is find a theme, keep it consistent, have a color scheme on it, do whatever you guys can do to keep it high quality and consistent. So I hope that you guys found some value in this video, and we will see you in the next one.